great event. Had the ball. Adam's done a great job. Little car went well, and overall, I think everyone's had a ball. It's the different format has been a real bonus. Like less touring around and more catching up with rally mates. So it's been fantastic.
Second place, Ben Newman and Adam Kudra. Their WRX STI. Up. So these are your GT productions and your overall
interesting weekend. It was lower numbers on entries than usual, I guess, but it was certainly a lot of good, fast competitors. So there was some tight times. Unfortunately, a few dropped off in the end. But yeah, it was a good weekend all around. Good fun.
Give them all a big round of applause for all your winners here at the TARGA High Country Sprint.